Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about carbon compounds. First of all, we will make the introduction of carbon to us. In everyday life, we use many materials like foodstuffs, fibers, paper, medicines, plastics, wood, fuels. These all materials are made up of various compounds and they are made up of many elements. But the most common element in these materials is carbon. Several materials from foodstuffs to fuel are made up of organic compounds. In our daily life, we use many things like toothpaste, toothbrush, different cosmetic substances. All these things, they are the organic compounds. The examples in which the carbon compounds are used, that are the cosmetics, then the toothbrushes, and carbon compounds are also used in detergents and soaps. Now let us discuss about the carbon. The symbol of carbon element is C. It is a non-metal. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Its atomic mass is 12, and as its atomic number is 6, its electronic configuration is 2,4, valency is 4. It is a tetravalent element because its valency is 4. There are the three allotropic forms of carbon are graphite, diamond, and fullerene, and the two main isotopes of carbon are carbon 12 and carbon 14. Bonds in carbon compounds. In the nature or in our surrounding, the number of carbon compounds are very large. They are near about 10 million carbon compounds, and every day a new carbon compound is discovered. So let us discuss how the bonds are formed in carbon compounds. Carbon has 4 valence electrons. There are 4 electrons present in its outermost orbit. So to attain the configuration of neon, it shares its 4 valence electrons with the atoms of other elements or other carbon itself. Carbon always forms bond with other elements by sharing its valence electrons. It do not donate its electron, but it always share its electron, and as it shares its electrons, the bonds are formed only due to the sharing of electrons. Now the chemical bond formed by sharing of two valence electrons between the two atoms, each called as covalent bond. There are the different types of bonds, but carbon have a tendency to share its valence electrons with other elements, and that's why the bond formed due to the sharing of electrons, each called as covalent bond. Carbon can form single bond, double bond, or triple covalent bond with the atoms of other elements or itself. Now in this section we will discuss about the covalent bond. The chemical bond formed between two atoms by the sharing of electrons, each called as covalent bond. The main feature of covalent bond is that it is formed only due to the sharing of electrons. Covalent bond is represented clearly by drawing an electron dot structure. Again, it can be represented by a small line joining by the symbols of the two elements. Now, in this example, you can see that these two hydrogen atoms, they are interconnected by this single horizontal line. This single horizontal line, it indicates a covalent bond between two hydrogen atoms. This line structure is also called as a structural formula, and this structure is called as a electron dot structure. Now this pair of electron, it shows that the one electron is shared by one hydrogen atom, while the another electron is shared by the second hydrogen atom, and that's why the bond is formed due to the sharing of one pair of electrons. That's why it is a single covalent bond, and that's why a single line is shown between these two hydrogen atoms. For your consideration, now we will take the example of formation of a methane molecule. The formula of methane is CH4, and as its formula indicates, it contains two elements, carbon and hydrogen. The electronic configuration of carbon is 2,4 because its atomic number is 6, while the electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1 and it requires only one electron to complete its duplet state. Carbon requires 4 electrons to attain a stable electronic configuration, while hydrogen requires only one electron to attain a stable electronic configuration, and both are non-metallic in nature. So, carbon shares its 4 valence electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms, and both acquires stable electronic configuration. Here, the bond is formed between one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms due to sharing of electrons, so it is a covalent bond. Here you can see that the bond is formed between one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. This carbon atom, it shares its 4 valence electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms, and that's why in between the carbon and hydrogen a single covalent bond is formed. The electron dot structure of methane is like this one. The line structure formula of methane can be shown that between the carbon and hydrogen there are the 4 single lines. These 4 single lines indicates that in between the carbon and hydrogen a single covalent bond is formed, and in methane there are 4 single covalent bond between carbon and hydrogen.